Subscribe to Dope Theft.
Of drivers who they say routinely shut down the intersection.
Simone says despite some police response, the group keeps coming back. This video posted November 11th.
Anybody calls and sees that type of activity, we will respond. It is something that we're responding to.
Tells us they are in the operational phase of trying to stop these groups, engaging in what they call swinging and describe as reckless and illegal behavior.
What up YouTube, it's your boy Dope Theft out here with another video. And today we're starting off with my storage unit. We're gonna go ahead and pick up some stuff that I need. Then we're gonna head to Ruiz Customs. There we're gonna meet up with my boy Celestino, where we're gonna be doing some installs of some new headlights I picked up for him. So yeah, I'll catch you guys back when we head to Ruiz Customs. What up guys, just pulled up to Ruiz. We out here. Just waiting on my boy Celestino to pull up. These are the new headlights we got him. Clean. I think he has the same style on his truck right now, but I think they're faded and pretty ugly. So we're gonna go ahead and put these on. If you guys are interested in these headlights, I'll put the link down in the description. And if I get a discount code, I'll make sure I'll drop a discount code for you guys too. Usually I can get some discount codes for you guys, so you guys can get these for a little bit cheaper. But they weren't that expensive, to be honest. I think around like 70, 100 bucks between there. And I think the shipping was free as well. But yeah, we're gonna get these installed in his truck. Alright guys, so these are his old headlights. So as you can see, these have the blacked out housings, and then the new ones have the chrome housings. So that's pretty much why we're switching them out. The top ones I think are going to be pretty much the same, but we're just going to switch them out, make them all look all new, because these ones are already a little bit yellowing. So we're going to go ahead and start this install. Pretty simple. Pop off the grill for more access if you need to, and then there's just a little clip back here you push in, pop this out. Up here you got the little bar that holds in the headlight, take that out, this pops out. No screws, no nothing, so it should be a pretty simple install, and then you just switch out all the bulbs. So guys, let's go ahead and start it.
Yeah.